Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add education on LinkedIn. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and open our browser. I prefer to use Google Chrome, and then we go to open Google. In here we're going to search for LinkedIn, and then we go to this website www.linkedin.com and open here. And you must log in with your account. So I have already logged in, so there's no need to re-log in once again on LinkedIn. And then once you're here on your account on LinkedIn, you can go and click on your icon over here, or you can go to this me and click on it, and then click on view profile. So you can do either one of these. So I'm going to click over here on my account. And now once you're here, you need to go down a little bit here. And then you go to education and click on the plus button over here. And now let's choose the university. So for example, let's go for Harvard University over here. The degree, you can go for bachelor degree. The field of study, for example, computer science. Okay, here we go. The start date, let's go for February or even January 28, for example. And the end date or expected graduation year, for example, it should be on March, I don't know, for example, 2011. And this is the grade. You can add this one or you can ignore it. In here on the activities and societies, you can add, I don't know, for example, your activities and the college, the projects and student activities and so on. Here also the description, you can write a description for or to describe your experience in the university for the 4 years that you spent on. You can add some skills. In media, you can drag a picture, click on this button, and you can add as much information as you know. You can add the grade, activities, description, skills, just click on this button and add any skill, for example, time management, for example. Here, you can add time management. You can add some media, you can upload some pictures in the university, and then you're going to click on save. That's how you can add an education on LinkedIn. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.